Hello everyone, this is Luis from thunderlaser. The machine behind me is the NOAH 35, and today I'm super excited to introduce you our NOAH series of the thunderlaser machines. Let's see what made this machine stand out. Last video, I have introduced the 6 common types of lasers. The NOAH series is all about the CO2 gas tube lasers. And today, I will give you a brief look on our NOAH series. The NOAH series includes 4 models named after their working area. They are NOAH 24, NOAH 35, NOAH 51, and NOAH 63. They are well known for their powerful cutting capability. And here I will give you a chart of their differences. A NOAH 24 equipped with a 60-watt laser. It offers a 600 by 400 mm working area. And the NOAH 35 comes with an optional 80 to 100 watt lasers and a 900 by 600 mm working area. NOAH 51 available with an optional 100 to 130 watt lasers and 1300 by 900 mm working area. The NOAH 63 offers an optional 100 to 130 watt laser and a larger working area of 1600 by 900 mm. This machine is not just for cutting, also great for engraving. Whether you are working with wood, acrylic, ABS, leather, cloth, aluminum oxide, or coated metals, the NOAH series can handle it all. The maximum speed of NOAH series is up to 1000 mm per second, which can help you to complete the massive production easily. Also, its pass-through door can make it fearless to process the large size material. With the rotary attachment, it can easily process the marks and the buttons. The NOAH series comes with a standard 2-inch focus lens, which is ideal for the cutting and engraving, as well as an optional high-resolution laser head and a 4-inch focus lens, which is better suited for cutting the thick materials. The NOAH series also features a beam combiner lens that combines the working laser with the radar pointer, making it easier to visualize the laser's path and achieve precise positioning. The NOAH series uses a dual air assist system with a direct blow-in for more accurate and efficient in high and low pressure control. It also features a patented high-efficiency exhaust system that is powerful and eco-friendly, keeping your workplace clean from fumes and exhausting gases. These machines are equipped with a quiet and efficient water cooling system, ensuring stable operation for long periods. Safety is the top priority. That's why the NOAH series has passed the CE and the FDA safety certifications. It includes the emergency stop protection, the fire alarm protection, and the limit switch protection, lead protection. All this can keep you safe. Our laser machines are often used in advertising, printing, modeling, craft, education, and other industries. This is a sample of the multi-layer cutting of the NDF. This is the NOAH certified sample booklet. It shows the cutting effect of the different parameters. This is a display of the NOAH certified technology for the 12 materials, such as cutting, line engraving, vector engraving, and picture engraving, reflecting the machine's comprehensive technology for processing a variety of materials. This is the F1 car made by the NOAH 35, which can better utilize the kid's imagination and creation, can better turn them into the reality. In a word, if you are considered a machine from the NOAH series, it's important to choose a model that best fits your needs. Let us know your focus, whether it's cutting or engraving, the engraving depth you require, the working area size, the available space for the placement. Based on this information, we will recommend the most suitable models for you. For more details, you can visit our website or contact us. We are always to help. See you in the next video. Bye.